Good afternoon, I'm meteorologist Kevin Jeans. Warm today. We're going to have highs near 80 degrees. Chance of a stray shower or a thunderstorm this afternoon, but with a better chance of more organized showers and storms overnight. And really through tomorrow morning, during the morning drive, there could be some areas with heavy rain and a few thunderstorms. So could be some gusty winds within some of these thunderstorms, and the chance of rain again going up later on tonight after a few daytime isolated showers and possibly a thunderstorm. So overnight tonight, you may hear some rain outside. The winds could pick up, and then through the morning commute tomorrow for Thursday, plan ahead and just know that there could be some heavy rain. And then Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening, some off and on breaks where at times could be a few showers and thunderstorms. At times you get a little bit of a break. And then once again Thursday night and through Friday morning, showers and thunderstorms are expected. So temperatures start to slide day to day. 77 for the high Thursday still for tomorrow, and then 74 degrees Friday. I think we begin to dry out really by Friday afternoon and Friday evening. So the rain should be gone by Friday night, and that sets us up for a mostly sunny, dry day Saturday, with daytime highs still above average, 72 degrees Saturday, and then we'll have another chance of afternoon showers and thunderstorms for Sunday.